Hi, this is Michael Porter, your ITF. And one of the things that I've been noticing is that in the blog, is that there's a lot of entries that have like no text. There's no text that's visible. Um, for example, and not to single out Kim or anything, but in this one, there's no text visible. There's nothing. You can't see anything. Or here, there's just one line. And what I want to do is show you how you can control what's shown in the blog and how that happens. Um, I'm just going to create a new blog post. And again, this one I'm going to just paste from Word for this. Okay. And so when I preview this, if I click on that preview button, you'll see two things. One is this preview trim version up top. And that's what's going to show up in the blog. And there's the full version. And we can see in the trimmed version that there's no text shows up. And the reason that happens is usually it's because of this blank space. The way that it figures out what to show in the blog is it takes the first paragraph or the first couple sentences. And for some reason there's a blank space here, and there's a couple ways to deal with that. The first thing is you can look at the original HTML. And the way you do that is you click on the source button in the upper left-hand corner. One of the things you'll see in this, the reason it has that blank space is it has a blank paragraph. NBSP, this little text here, just means a white space. It means a space. It's the same as if you hit a space bar. So if you remove that paragraph, and save it, actually go back and preview that, take a look, we can see now those lines show up. But let's say we wanted to have a little bit more show up, not just those first two sentences, but we wanted to have more show up. Well, the way you can control that is through this teaser button right here in the toolbar. It says Insert Teaser Break. And if you click on that, a red line shows up in your text. You can grab the middle of that line and move it to wherever you want that break to be. So if we put it down here, it'll put the break all the way down. Okay. One thing that's a problem when you do add the break, though, is it's going to create a paragraph break in your work. So it's probably, if you're going to add a break, it should be somewhere where there's going to be the end of the paragraph anyway. And when we go to the blog, we just had a preview. We save this. Then we go to the blog. We can see it looks just as we had it there.